Hi friends, if you are wanting to do math right now, you should be here. And it is April 22nd, it is Wednesday. For today we are going to be reading our I can statement first, followed by watching a YouTube video, and then you'll also be watching my video and following along with the slides, and then to finish up math you'll be answering a one-question quiz. So for our I can statement, it says, I can recognize opposite signs of numbers as indicating locations on opposite sides of 0 on the number line. So I want you guys first to click here. You're going to watch a Comparing Decimals song. Today we are going to be talking about comparing decimals. We've talked about comparing whole numbers before, but now we're going to add decimal points to it. So this is our work period. I have these set up for you. 458.297, okay? We're comparing that to 458.702. So I want to know which number's bigger. Well, I like to look at the hundreds first, so let's look. 4's the same. Both have a 5. Both have an 8. Both have a decimal. But something's different here. 7 and 2. Which number is bigger? Well, 7 is bigger than 2. So this number is bigger. This number is the number that the alligator's mouth is going to want to eat. So you would write it like this. 458.297 is less than 458.702. You would make sure that your alligator's mouth is pointing towards the bigger number. Let's try another one. We've got 0.53, 0.78. We start at the hundreds, or at the tenths. We see 0. That's the same. Then you see your decimal point. That's the same too. But look, this is different. What's different about it? Let's compare. Which number is bigger, 5 or 7? Well, 7 is bigger than 5. So the alligator is going to want to eat this number right here. So it should look something like this. 0.53 is less than 0.78. The alligator wants to eat the bigger number. So you simply put your numbers on top of each other. You can write them down on a piece of paper like this and compare them. Once you're finished, I want you guys to click Activities, click Quiz, click April 22nd, Comparing Decimals, and you guys will have a one-question quiz. Good luck!